Hello my dear viewers, this is Bushcraft Bear speaking to you live here from the Canary Islands, La Palma. I'm on my way to El Paso. I want to hike there a little bit and to show you some things. But before I go there, I want to show you this checkpoint over here. This is very close to La Laguna. You can see over here the street is closed, except you have a reason to go there. And over there is the volcano. And here are some people, some workers are over here, and the Cruz Roja, the Red Cross, is over here. And here is Protección de Civil. The next stop was Plaza Tajuya. I wanted to see how many people there are this Sunday afternoon and what the volcano looks like from there. And the good thing is, from Plaza Tajuya, I have got a very good overview to the lava streams. Alright my dear viewers, now I'm here a little bit in the mountains and there's a hiking path and I hope I will get a good view to the volcano. You can see over there is the caldera, and over here the ash is already different. You can see bigger pieces here in the ash, really sharp small pieces from the ash from the volcano. There is a lot of ash on the ground. It is very beautiful over here. I can hear the wind in the trees. It's a little bit fresh, cold, so I can have a little bit feeling of autumn and winter, because close to the Atlantic Ocean, most of the time it's mild. And yeah, this is a really nice hike over here. Look at these big pieces of ash you can find over here. But they are very light. They're not heavy, really light. The fresh air is so good over here. Oh, that's very nice. And the trees, wow, I like it. Here you can see the ash from the volcano. A little bit of a raisin. All right, that was a very interesting hike here up the hill. And now I'm very close to the volcano. I don't go much further. This is enough for me here. You can see there is a lot of black ash coming out of the volcano vent. And you can see here the orange light from the lava. Maybe you wonder if I can hear the volcano over here. No, it's absolutely quiet here. I can hear the wind in the pine needle trees. I like this noise or this sound very much. And yeah, over here the volcano. I want to show you the temperature briefly. It's 12.5 degrees and 70% humidity. All right, my dear viewers, I'm back here in the city of Los Llanos and I'm on the way back home. It was a very interesting hike here through the forest, so close to the volcano. And to see all this ash over there and to find these big pieces of ash. In another video, I will show you this ash by daylight and then you can have a look there. Okay, so I say thank you very much for your kind comments and prayers. Thank you for your support. We will see us in another video tomorrow afternoon. And until then, stay safe, take care, stay healthy. Goodbye.